Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So Chinese device maker Chuwi is going to officially release its new HiPad Pro tablet on 3rd of August on AliExpress. It is a feature-packed tablet with a slim metal body, comes with a stylus, 4G LTE enabled, wideband L1 support and much more. So stay tuned and without further ado, let's begin. Talking about its specifications, the tablet has a 10.8-inch IPS panel with a 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution. The peak brightness is up to 400 nits, staggering 97% DCI-P3 coverage, and the tablet has a 90% screen-to-body ratio. And as far as we are aware, this display won't get 120Hz refresh rate but locked at 60Hz. So the panel type, resolution and refresh rate are all standard here. You won't be getting an AMOLED panel, larger display nor 120Hz. It's because this is a mid-range tablet, but Chuwi has always offered better value, so this won't be that different. The HiPad Pro will arrive with the company's H7 stylus that supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity and full-sized Bluetooth keyboard. Both are sold separately as an optional accessory, although few websites other than AliExpress mentions that the stylus will be included in the box. Let's see how it goes. Under the hood, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor runs the device, paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X memory and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. It joins the 4G LTE mobile communication networks, and the dual SIM dual standby network is also available. About battery, it's powered by a large 7000 mAh battery pack that also supports Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0. It also supports a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C port. As for cameras, on the rear, the device has an 8MP image sensor while the front sports a 5MP selfie shooter. Finally, it has a 6.9mm thickness and weighs just 480 grams. It gets 4 hi-fi speakers and dual microphone. We have no idea about the price, but soon we will know about that as well. So share your thoughts in the comments, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.